We are here at the Civic Square garage here at Carmel, and check out what we have here. We have a brand new KONE, Indiana's.
Going up.
Look at that. Let's see. Oh wow, this is very nice. Yep. Carmel Civic Center parking garage. We got KONE.
Fourth floor.
Door opens very slowly.
Going down.
Resident parking.
First floor.
KONE. It's actually a pretty nice one. Minus the door opens slowly.
Going up.
That is actually this fire service inside. No, this is not my first time seeing that in KONE. I saw that in Roanoke. Well, if you know, you know. But this is a nice elevator. This is a brand new garage that will be surrounded by development eventually. This is really nice. Look at this.
Fourth floor.
So nice.
Going down.
You see, all those houses over there, or apartment buildings, I mean, are brand new. And here's the MRL cabinet here. I thought it was open for a second, but no. But anyway, here's the call button. It's right on the door frame. Interesting how KONE is doing this too. Legos and Schindler.
Going down.
I don't know, it's just this model. It's just. I noticed that these doors open really slow. But here's the look at the cab here. So look at these handrails. Yeah, this is brand new. I don't think I've been from this yet. That's just a certificate inspection there. It's KONE.
First floor.
And here we're on. Look how slow the door opens.
Going up.
Nice. It's fire service cabinet. Look at that. That's the fire service on the side. Very interesting. And there goes the elevator. Let me show you something interesting. Look at the door behind you. As you can see, it says residents only. But if you look out here, it doesn't go anywhere. It's just a door to nowhere.
What if it will be later or something?
Yeah. They built this garage first and entice people to develop. But then there will be development here later. See? Featuring the best key lock. Best lock. See? Nothing. Just dirt. Residents only. Anyway, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I guess that is gonna be it for me.